In the universe, there are forces that defy human imagination. Titanic creatures, gravity fields so intense that they distort spacetime itself. We are talking about black holes. But what is a black hole really? And how are they formed? And what would happen if you decided to rush into them? This is what we will try to answer in this new 5 minutes episode. If you like our content, I invite you to share this video with your friends and to subscribe to our channel by activating the bell if you haven't already done so. Without further delay, here we go. A black hole is a region of space where gravity is so intense that it prevents all matter, including light, from escaping. It is in a way a huge chasm in space, where the force of attraction is so strong that it attracts everything nearby, including light. It is a place where nothing can escape, where everything is captured forever. These unique celestial bodies are formed by the death of massive stars, and they can be of different sizes and shapes. There are stellar black holes, which are the smallest, and have a mass similar to that of our Sun, about 333,000 times greater than that of the Earth. Then there are supermassive black holes, which can have masses up to billions of times that of our Sun, and are usually found at the center of some galaxies, including our own, the Milky Way. They are most often formed by the accumulation of matter over time, either by the accretion of surrounding matter or by the merger of stellar black holes. Supermassive black holes have a considerable influence on their immediate environment by pulling matter towards them, which allows us to understand the movements of stars and gas in their galaxy. They are also considered as important tools to understand the evolution of galaxies in the universe, even if they are still very difficult to observe directly. Scientists use indirect techniques to detect and study them. But they are not the most imposing, far from it. They do not represent much next to the primordial black holes, which, as for them, were formed shortly after the birth of the universe and which have masses much higher than supermassive black holes. Primordial black holes are giants hidden since the first moments of the universe. They are so massive, with masses up to tens of billions of solar masses. It is like grouping thousands of galaxies together. They formed from quantum fluctuations in the universe, being considered as seeds for supermassive black holes formed later. They probably had an impact on the evolution of the universe, playing a role in the formation of the first galaxies, and having an impact on the properties of the regions of the universe they occupy. It is important to note that this theory is still largely speculative and has not yet been confirmed by observations. Scientists continue to explore this idea to learn more about these hidden giants. Black holes are surrounded by a point of no return, called the event horizon, beyond which it is impossible to escape. This is where their singularity lies, a point where the density of matter is infinite and the laws of physics no longer apply. But black holes are not only star destroyers. They play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies, absorbing matter and distributing it in the form of jets of energetic particles. But what would happen if you decided to rush into them? Well, the force of attraction of the black hole would be so strong that it would pull you towards it at an increasing speed, slowing down space and time around you without you even realizing it. For the people who would observe you entering the black hole, you would be torn apart by the gravitational tidal forces as the gravity would become stronger and stronger. As you get closer to the black hole, space-time will be so curved that it will become impossible to see anything, including the black hole itself. You will be surrounded by an event horizon, a point of no return where even light cannot escape. At that point, under the force of gravity, you will be stretched like spaghetti and finally disappear. You would be captured by the black hole and your matter would be compressed to infinity, forming what is called a singularity. From this singularity, what comes next is a mystery. While black holes still remain an enigma for scientists, we continue to explore these fascinating celestial bodies, to discover even more about the secrets of the universe. And who knows, maybe one day we may even find a way to explore them more closely. Tell me what you think about black holes in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content, and see you in a future video.